Okay, let me show you how you can diagnose your oxygen sensor and quickly confirm it is working correctly. Open your data stream. You know what, we can actually display the graph, it will be better. We want to test upstream oxygen sensor that is responsible for adjusting air and fuel mixture. The sensor after catalytic converter, sensor 2, is there to monitor catalytic converter. But right now we want to check if our oxygen sensor works correctly, and this is upstream, the most important one. Oxygen sensor should be constantly switching from rich to lean condition, exactly like in this graph. This is example of good working sensor. If this sensor wouldn't work, you could see just one line, it would stick to the same value. And you also want to test if it reacts to what is happening in the vehicle. If I press on the pedal, it should go faster, and when I let go, it should go lean for a bit, and then start switching again. See, let me try it one more time. I will step on the pedal, let it go, and it should go lean, and then return. This is example of good working oxygen sensor. Now, if you have air to fuel sensor, it will not be switching at idle like this one, but you can do the same test. Press the gas pedal, let gas pedal go, and you want to see some kind of reaction. The sensor should be going lean, and then return to original value, whatever it was doing before that. Keep in mind that air to fuel sensors often they are like kind of switched. In classic oxygen sensors, here at the bottom it means the engine is running lean, and top means engine is running rich. When is value at top, it is rich condition. When the value is at bottom, it is lean condition. With air to fuel sensors, often that is reversed. So you have lean condition at the top and rich condition at the bottom. I will show you that in the Corolla. It actually uses air to fuel sensors. Regardless of which sensor do you have, to confirm that your oxygen sensor works correctly, all you have to do is step on the gas pedal and then let it go. Okay, I will step on the gas pedal, let go, so it goes lean for a second and then return. So it doesn't really matter if you have oxygen sensor or air to fuel sensor, you just want to test that it is reacting correctly.